Hey, what's up, guys? This is Ryan Winkleman with Pella Doors, and we have here the new toy for me. This is a Architect Series casement sash right-hand operating brown cut section. So let's take a look, see what this puppy's all about. Alright, so right off you can see that this has a divided light, right? Aluminum OG finish here. Wood on the interior, aluminum on the exterior. OG and OG profile. You see, it's easy to see on the aluminum. You can see the bevel there. Kind of dips in. Can we pick it up on the wood? Yeah, see that? Alright. Architect Series. Unsurpassed architectural expression right here. Unsurpassed. So, look at this. It's a double pane window. 2 panes of glass. Wood sash, right? Solid wood. See this wood from the interior all the way to the exterior. This is a solid wood window through and through. This aluminum here, roll clad aluminum, is here for protection of the wood. That's it. It's not here as structural support. It's not here, hey pup. It's not here as anything to make this window stronger. It's here simply to protect the wood. Hi, Addie. How you doing, big girl? Or you sleeping upstairs? Was a good pup. So, hi, yes. So that's a cool product there. That's a neat feature. That's awesome that it's wood all the way through and through. You can see the caulking that they have in there. The glass sits in. This has what's called watershed construction. So anytime it rains, it is designed so that the water will just shed off, like a duck, shed off like a duck's back. There's not an area where water can get inside. Everything will overlap to the point that it falls down to the sill and then falls off your house. So that's it. Architect Series. Unsurpassed architectural expression. 27 different colors, stain, paint. You can get this unfinished. You can get it ready to be painted, factory primer, or you can get it stained or painted. And then all you have to do is have it installed. Ryan Winkleman, Pella. If you have any questions, give me a shout, 330-323-5203, or just shoot me a DM, or hit me up on my email, Ryan_Winkleman@gunton.com. Alright, man. Have a great day.